Namaste, students. I am your EVS teacher, myself, Saranya. We'll continue the lesson, third lesson, A Day with Nandhu. You have read about Nandhu and the elephant herd. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. So, in that herd, most of the elephants will be females and baby elephants. The oldest female elephants will be the leader of the head. The head may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they have leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. So most of the times the male elephant will leave the herd when it will be 14 and 15 years old in that stage. So Nandu also will leave like that. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in the groups. These animal groups are called herds. Animals in herds usually move around together search for food. So in most of the jungle areas you can see that elephants or some other deers like animals will move like group by group to find the food. Why? Because means in the group, if anyone or any other animals will attack them, means they will be protected from the group members. For that only, they will move in a group. If you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what kind of things would you do? And this is your homework. You have to write your own answers. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything. Who takes decision in your family? Write their names and what is the relationship between you and them. Make a collage of herd of elephants in your notebook, in your homework notebook. For this, collect as many pictures of elephants that you can. Cut out the elephants and stick them in the notebook. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you do? So, you have so many imaginations and everything. I want to spend like this with my friends, right? So, that one you can write it here in your homework note. Next, find out and write which other animals live in herd. This is also your homework. Do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? Why? Would you like or not like to live in a group? So, write your reasons and why you have to be. Write that also in your homework note. How do elephants feel when they kept in a chains? So, what is the feeling the elephant will have? If some other persons will tie our legs in a chain, how we will feel? So like that, how the elephant will feel? Share your feelings. Homework. Have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How it did feel? So if you travel in an elephant, write your experience. Which animal have you sat on? Write their animals. Well, some of them well sat in the horse or some other animals, right? So write that names. You must have seen many animals around you in books, in movies. Some may be alone, some in group. Find out more about any one of these animals and write about it. So write any one of the particular animal. Think and write. Why do you think the great egret is sitting on the buffalo? The egret sits on the back of the buffalo to eat flies, grasshoppers, and other pests to the buffalo. So you always find when the buffalo is there, the egret will sit on the buffalo and it is eating something. So it is eating the flies which come near the buffalo. In this way, the egret gets its food and the buffalo gets rid of germ and dirt. So it is a kind of mutual benefit for both of them. See how it is. So the egret will get food and the buffalo becomes very clean. So it is a mutual benefits for them. Write this one in your classwork. Have you seen many Have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. The animal which is riding, the animal which gives the ride. An oxpack, oxpecker, that is stick bird, sits on a zebra. Thus, the animal which is riding in the oxpecker and that which gives the ride is the zebra. It is a kind of mutual benefits for them. So like we saw buffalo, the zebra and oxpecker also made some mutual benefits. The oxpecker eats the ticks and parasites present in the skin of the zebra. In this way the oxpecker get its food and zebra get rid of pets. So write it in your classwork. This is the picture of oxpecker which will be sitting on the zebra. Which animal do we use for riding? Horse, elephant, camel, donkey, and yak are used for riding. Which animals do we use for carrying loads? Donkey, buffalo, oxen, elephant, horse, camel, and yak are used for carrying loads. Write this one in your classwork notes. And you have to not only write in a classwork, you have to read everything. So we'll stop here, students. We'll continue in the next sections. Thank you.